This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Chrome and a signed-in Google account. Once Chrome is updated, you can use Lens. Start by opening Chrome and locating the image or page you want to analyze. If you have a file, drag it into the Browser tab or open the page with the image. If you prefer live capture, make sure your webcam works and permissions are enabled. These quick steps get you to Lens immediately, so you can focus on identifying text, objects, or translation results right away. Once the image is in Chrome, right-click it and choose Search Image with Google Lens or go to Images. Google.com and click the lens icon in the search bar. If you need live capture, click the camera icon, allow camera access, and frame the subject. Lens analyzes in real time. Make sure to zoom or crop the area of interest. Precise framing improves results. You can switch modes, text, product, translate, so pick the mode that matches the task before you proceed. Review the Lens results panel and choose the action you need. Copy text, search similar products, or translate selected words. If a result is noisy, use the crop tool to isolate the subject and run Lens again because tighter selection yields better accuracy. If Lens fails, refresh the page, check camera permission, or update Chrome. These fixes resolve most problems. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow networks can time out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.